Alright, for our next video we're going to talk about one of the most important techniques you're going to learn in grade 7 or in grade 6. It's called rest stroke technique. Now, for rest stroke technique, this is the way that we're going to be attacking the strings. First off, we're going to place our thumb on the 6th string. 6th string is the one that's closest to our nose, 1st string is closest to our toes. We're going to be playing the 1st string. We're going to be playing it with our index finger, our Peter pointer. Now the way that this works is I'm going to extend my index finger out from the string like this, and I'm going to swing it down until it makes contact with the string. I push through the string and it rests against the 2nd string. So I'm going to do that again. I take my index finger, I swing it down, make contact with the 1st string, push through it, and let it rest against the 2nd string. We're going to do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with our middle finger. So we extend our middle finger out. We're going to take that middle finger, swing it down until it makes contact with the 1st string, push through, and rest it against the 2nd string. Again, one more time. We're going to take our middle finger, swing it down through till it makes contact with the 1st string, push through, and rests against the 2nd string. Now the tricky part is to make our fingers alternate back and forth, so we need to walk them back and forth when we're doing this. We aren't just going to play only with our index or only with our middle. So, thumb anchored on the 6th string, check your seating position, make sure you're sitting up nice and straight, feet firmly planted. Okay, and we're going to kick out our index and middles, and we're going to do this 8 times in total. So starting with our index finger. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Index, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. Good. One more time. Index, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. Good. Same thing on the 2nd string. 1, 2, 3, 8 times. Index, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. Good. One more time. 2nd string. Ready? And index, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. Good. On the 3rd string, make sure our thumb is still anchored on the 6th string. 1, 2, 8 times, and index, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. Good. One last time. Ready? And index, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. Now, when we want to cut off the sound, we just turn our hand in. We don't want to cut it off with our other hand. We turn our hand in here. Now, we're going to put those 3 strings into a little exercise. We're going to play string 1, 2, 3, then back to 2, then if we finish on 1, we're going to alternate, play each string 4 times. Thumb still anchored here, and take a look at my hand position as well. It's located just behind the sound hole, just at the rosette. That is our normal playing position. You should always strive to be there for it. Okay? 1, 2, 4 times each note. Index, middle, index, middle. 2nd string, index, middle, index, middle. 3rd string, index, middle, index, middle. 2nd string, index, middle, index, middle. 1st string, index, middle, index, middle. Good. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and. that concludes that lesson.